Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. In today's video, we're going to be doing an Amazon haul. I got a bunch of summer clothes, some accessories and some home decor pieces as well. Now let's get started. So I was telling you guys in my previous video that I have some more summer dresses that I wanted to show you guys, which are quite affordable. So I got these from Amazon. This is the first one. So this is a very pretty summer dress in yellow and it has like a nice flare. Perfect for summer and such a beautiful print for summer. So you can wear it casually or even when you're going on your like summer trip. And this is a little below knees, so it's a sort of a midi dress. And I got this from the brand called Plus S Collection. This brand actually has pretty good dresses. Even if you wear like XL and double XL, you'll find your sizes in this, or even if you wear something up, then you'll find your sizes in this. So this is the first dress and it's so pretty. So this dress is originally 1999 and it was on sale, so I got it for 539 rupees. And also I got a cash back, so I saved much more just apart from getting a discount. So I used Paisa Vapas to get this cash back, and I'll tell you a little bit about Paisa Vapas so that you can also avail this cashback offer and save a lot of money whenever you're shopping. So apart from the discount that I also got 6.5% cashback. So whenever so if you use Paisa Vapas to actually purchase whatever you like, then you can also get this 6.5% cashback. This is a cashback which actually is in the form of cash, so you can avail it and then directly deposit in your Paytm account or whichever account you choose to. So I'll leave the link for Paisa Vapas in the description box. So if you like any of these products, you can directly use the links below to download Paisa Vapas, and once you download, you will directly get 30 rupees of cashback in your account. So this 30 rupees is like a bonus which you directly get once you download the app. And then whichever products you like, you can actually click on the link directly and avail a cashback on Paisa Vapas and then go purchase it. So for whichever brand you're looking to purchase, now we're talking about Amazon, but even if you're looking for something else, so you can look up the app or the brand on Paisa Vapas and then activate your cashback there and then directly click on the brand's name and then go to the website and purchase, so that you can avail cashbacks on any brands that you shop from. So for Amazon, you get a 6.5% cashback. So whenever you use any of the links in the description box to purchase them, you can get this offer. So Paisa Vapas has over 1,000 websites of brands you can shop from. Along with this, you can also use any coupon codes that you have and you want to use. You can go back to the account on Paisa Vapas and check your credit, and it will be in a state of pending initially when you purchase it, and it gets confirmed after a while. If you don't cancel or return the order that you placed through Paisa Vapas, then this status will change and you can avail your cashback. And now moving on to the rest of the products in this haul. Next up, we have this one. This is also a summer dress. Just look at this. It is so soft and comfortable. It is a strappy dress and this is a maxi dress sort of. It has like a nice flare to it and it is cotton and super comfortable for summer. Even if you're going on vacation, this is perfect because it is super comfortable. At the same time, it is quite fashionable. So you guys were asking me for like we earn plus size friendly brands, so this is also something like that. So they have really good sizes. It's from a brand called Banus, and this brand actually has some other outfits as well. So I think it is originally 1999, but yeah, it is now for 566. So that's a pretty good price for such a summer dress, and it is so good, comfortable and soft, and looks really pretty when worn. Like you can wear like silver jewelry and accessorize it and you know, dress it up a little bit and it will look so pretty. And you can even wear a shrug on it if you're not comfortable wearing strappy dresses. Next up, I got this kalamkari dupatta. So this is a cotton kalamkari dupatta. It's the kalamkari dupatta that I got. It has a little bit of black design here and the rest of it is in off-white. So you can totally wear this with like a plain black kurta or a cream color kurta, like a white off-white kurta, and it would look really nice for the summer. And of course summer is going to be full of like these comfortable kurtas, so yeah, it'll be perfect for that. So I got this. It's a very soft fabric. It looks really nice. So that was the dupatta. Next up, I got a scarf, and I thought this looked so stylish on the website when I saw this. So this is what I got, and I think it's quite nice for summers. Like if you're going out somewhere like on a holiday, then you can like wear your sunglasses and then wrap this around your head or tie it to your hair. And I think this looks really good. Again, can be worn with like any colored dress, an off-white dress or something like that. And you can do different styles with scarves, or just use it to cover your head even because it's hot and it's summer. I got two different accessories and sort of traditional wear unexpectedly, and pricing is actually quite good. So this is the first pair of earrings. I've seen them and like I've been eyeing them for a while now, but finally got them. So these are the earrings. They're so beautiful, very dangly, and quite long. So you can wear these on your anarkalis or like even maxi dresses, and they would look so pretty. Such a beautiful pair. Really like this one. I think it would be great for like party wear, and especially during the summer for like summer weddings or parties. If you're wearing like a plain dress also, you can accessorize it really well with something chunky like this. I think they look really beautiful, and I really like the color combination as well. So next up we have this piece of accessory. It looks so beautiful, right? It has this 3-layered pearl necklace with these and sort of chandbalis. Their earrings are also chandbalis, and I think this would make for a very beautiful traditional neck piece, and it has like a type of knot at the back. So if you're wearing like saris or any other traditional kurta with like a Banarasi dupatta, I think this would look really beautiful on that. And yeah, quite beautiful. It has like red and green, both emeralds and rubies, and looks so pretty. Can be worn again for like casual simple occasions, or even like when you're heading out for like a friend's wedding or something like that. I think they look really pretty. And lastly, I got a home decor piece. I got a jute rug, and I have been eyeing these also from a really long time. They come in different shapes and sizes. This is the rug. So this is the jute rug, and I thought it'll go really well with the aesthetic. I have two jute hoofs which I got earlier from Amazon itself. I will link that Amazon haul as well in the description box. You can check it out. So I thought it'll match the aesthetic, and I have few colors here. Like I have a little bit of blush pink, and one other couch is sort of greenish, so I don't want to add more colors, so I thought this will be a neutral vibe and also a little bit earthy. So that was it for today's haul, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the haul. And do check out Paisa Vapas, you guys. You'll be getting a huge cashback along with the other discounts and everything, and I'll leave the link for Paisa Vapas in the description box, and you'll see the links for all the products that I've showed also in the description box. If you use Paisa Vapas, you'll be getting a 6.5% cashback on Amazon. You can check out other brands that are available on Paisa Vapas as well. So that was it for today's video, you guys. Let me know if you would like to see more of these Amazon hauls, and before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also find me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle right here. I do hauls there as well, and I also do some styling videos, so find me there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.